Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Miranda TF130 in color code 28F. It's a light rose gold color frame. It has a Tom Ford logo engraved on the top left lens. And on the temples, it has a Tom Ford logo on the tip of the temples in silver. As well for this side. On the back of the frame, it has made in Italy and the serial number over here. The lenses are a yellow-brown gradient color. Up here we have the Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.